In our previous video, we covered installing Oracle WebCenter Interaction, complete with database setup and scripting. In today's video, we'll walk you through installing and configuring Oracle WebCenter Collaboration, including creating the collaboration schema, setting up its database, and configuring the scripts we'll need to get it running. Plus, I'll guide you through the document upload section. Now we need to install the collaboration module. Here also select complete or your preferred option. Installation directory must be the same directory as the interaction directory so the application can configure internal connections. Database server is MS SQL Server. Provide the database server hostname, port, database, and database user. We are integrating collaboration with portal service. So in this section, we need to provide the portal service connection settings. And this is the database name and user for the collaboration module. If you want to change the portal service port and credentials, you can update them here. Collaboration installation is completed successfully. Let's go to Configuration Manager again. Here you see the collaboration module. Let's configure it. Now we will create the database for collaboration. Database name is CollabDB. User is CollabDB user. Same as ALIB user, default database is CollabDB, server role is sysadmin, user mapping select CollabDB and role is DB owner. In this part, we need to create a schema for the CollabDB user. Expand the database CollabDB, right click on security, new go schema. Schema name is CollabDB user. Schema owner is CollabDB user. Under users, find CollabDB user. Replace default schema from DBO to CollabDB user. Disconnect the database connection and connect again with the CollabDB user credentials. Again, we need to script the CollabDB. The scripts are inside the OWCI installation directory. MS SQL. Make sure CollabDB is selected. Collaboration server data, check the database and its tables. And last, collaboration server portal role grant. Now disconnect the database connection and connect again using LIDB user. From the same collaboration database script location, we need to run two more scripts. Portal collaboration server data, portal collaboration server role grant. Make sure this time LIDB is selected as the database for scripting. In this script, change CollabDB user to DBO. Select migration import, select override remote servers, browse for the collaboration module. And deploy it. Now we have a complete module. Let's try to upload some documents, but there is no upload from file section, only upload from web option. Let's run the collaboration service. And check the collaboration module status. Everything is fine and running. Still no option to upload documents. We need to import or install another module from the PT upload directory. The module name is content upload. I am creating one text file to test the upload. Now there is a content upload option. And upload is successful. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe will mean a lot to me. Thank you.